We are a professional provider of comprehensive solutions for producing Gabion mesh equipment, with independent research and development of the entire machine to ensure quality from the root. Our product production efficiency can be improved by 30% with an automatic fuel supply system and emergency shutdown system. The production efficiency of each shift is greater than 1,000 square meters. Fully automatic production of motors and electrical boxes with a 12-month warranty, using energy-saving frequency conversion technology to reduce energy consumption by 25%. Automatic alarms for faults such as wire breaking and material jamming. High precision gear sets with tolerances within plus or minus 3%, and complete machine parts supply. Sincerely looking forward to your consultation and visit to the factory.